I Hassan Reddy of Grade IX Sapphire. Today I am going to take pledge. Pledge. India is my country. India is my country. All Indians, sir. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Today's news bulletin is brought to you by Grade IX Sapphire. Today's international and national news is brought to you by Akshita from 9 Sapphire. International news: 600 people missing in the Mediterranean migrant crisis. National news: Indian receives GDP data framework. Thank you.
Today's state and sport news is brought to you by Jarishma of Grade IX Sapphire. State news: DJ Reddy and other top marshals surrendered before Telangana police. Only one state committee member active. Sports news: T20 World Cup headman Polwal lead Caribbean Carnival against Zimbabwe. Thank you.
Today's word is brought to you by Ashmita from 9 Sapphire. And today's word is regret. It means feeling emotional or sad. I repeat it again. Regret. It means feeling emotional or sad. Friends, please spell after me. Regret. R-E-G-R-E-T. Regret. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Today's thought is brought to you by Hansika from Grade IX. Today's thought is: education is a movement from darkness to light. I repeat it again. Education is a movement from darkness to light. Thank you. My name is Yashashni from Grade IX Sapphire. Now I am going to tell GK question. Question for grade 7. Which is the smallest 4-digit number? 1000. I repeat my question. 1000. Yes, you picked the right answer. Let us appreciate it. Question for grade 8. What is the square of root 5?
25.
I repeat my question. What is the square of root 5?
25.
No, you didn't pick the right answer. The answer is 2.23. Question for grade 9. What is the value of cos 360? I'll repeat my question. What is the value of cos 360?
1.
Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is 1. Let us appreciate them. Open questions for all. Who is the scientist of who born on Pi Day?
Einstein.
I'll repeat my question. Who born on Pi Day? Open questions for all. Who is born on Pi Day?
Albert Einstein.
Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Albert Einstein. Let us appreciate them. Who discovered Pythagoras theorem? Yes, you picked the right answer and the answer is Pythagoras of Samos. Let us appreciate. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to everyone. This is Veena of Grade IX Sapphire. Today I am here to give a speech. Before I start my speech, I have a question for you all people. What is more important, knowledge or marks? Knowledge. Of course, knowledge. Marks show our performance and open doors to opportunities like college or jobs. But knowledge is what stays with us for life. It helps us solve real problems, think critically, and grow as individuals. While marks are important, they should not be our only goal. True success comes when we learn deeply, understand fully, and use that knowledge to make a difference. So let's focus on gaining knowledge, and the marks will naturally flow. I'll end my speech with a quotation. Pustakam manchi mitrudu, jnanam manchi ayudam. I'll repeat my quote. Pustakam manchi mitrudu, jnanam manchi ayudam. Thank you and have a good day ahead.